Good morning, good afternoon, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. This is another week of paint by numbers. I'm sorry guys, I haven't showed you any cross stitch, but my hands are not helping and I have to do a craft. And I have to put up something on my channel for all of you. All you paint by numbers fan and the ones who likes any craft, to watch any type of craft. So today we're gonna have the finish of one of the HouseArt. I'm gonna post a link to the video, to the unboxing video, so you can see it. And we have a finish. At the same time, I'm gonna show you how to put the sealer on. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna get you closer. Here is one of the HouseArt, because there were two. I'm doing this one, and the other one I'm gonna leave it for later. So here it is. This is one of the HouseArt. I think this is a summer one, because you see the snow cap melting and stuff like that. So let's see how it turned out. Here it is, folks. Let me get you back. Here is the turnout. Nice. It caused me a lot of problem. Now, this one I did it without putting gesso on the canvas. And it gave me a lot of work. One of the colors ran out, color number 3. So I did the retouch as much as I could. And but when you don't put gesso, clear gesso on the canvas for a paint by number, you're gonna have problems. Okay, and you're gonna see that on the next video, where I already started one from the cottage one that I got. So you're gonna see the difference later on. So, but before we go to the unsealing, something that I forgot, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment on the video below. That will help the channel. It will help the algorithm. Okay, so and it will help me, and I will greatly appreciate it. Okay, so let's continue. So this one turned out pretty. The paint is shine. I haven't put the sealer yet, because I want to show you how to put the sealer on it, on a canvas. I'm probably gonna have to go further away. Okay. So, but the most important thing about this is that I enjoy doing it. Okay, and it's quite fast because it has a lot of big cells, not the one that I'm gonna be doing, that has a lot of small cells. Okay, so let's start it. I forgot. Oh, I found the sealer on Amazon. Is $9.99 for 4 ounces, which I find it expensive, but anyway, let's see. What I do is, and I use the spatula that comes with it. What you do is you pour on the canvas. First of all, you gotta make sure that your canvas is clean, doesn't have any debris or anything. Okay, so I pour a bit, not the whole much yet, and then I do it by size. Oops, this one came off. This came off, and I don't like this, because the problem with this is that it will dry. It will start drying. It does dry quite a bit fast, although you should leave it for, next time. I didn't realize Okay, now I got it. So I got some spills over here. Okay, so you have to make sure you cover every part of it. Okay, every part of it. I usually do this to spread some down, but it's recommended that you do it one way. I recommend it because you're gonna see this. Although when it dries, you see this, you don't see the stripes. But that little bit, look at all that it covers. And you gotta make sure, and when it dries, make sure that you didn't miss any part. Otherwise, you can pour a little bit in here and then have it see, there's still a lot. That's too much. So you can use it at the bottom over here. Because you want to make sure, you see there is a part over here that is not covered. You want to make sure you cover every part of it. And it's going to dry clear, okay? You don't want to leave any streak that has a lot of the sealer on it. Okay. I'm trying for you to see what I'm doing. Okay. That's good enough. It's drying already. And over here I put a little bit less. Are you seeing this? I'm sorry. Let me move it up. It's a milky white, but it dries clear. So when you do this one, you kind of overlap a little bit. Okay? So any part that you might have missed toward the end, I'm probably gonna have to put some more, but I wanted to do on the safe side because I poured too much at the beginning. Let me check that I don't have. I will let you know because the other paint was 16 by 20. This is 16 by 22. I mean by 20. also. So again, you do some overlapping. Make sure, you have to make sure you get everything, that you don't miss anything. That's what is recommended, that I recommend it, because this doesn't have any recommendation. But I do recommend that you overlap, just like when we seal diamond paintings. This is I'm just gonna put a little bit more. That's it. Yep. I'm gonna have to get me, I have more of this. I just have to get me another one. Just have to squeeze it over there. Okay, well, for now, I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry for 30 minutes. It's gonna be a couple of seconds for you, and then we will come back and check out to see if there is anything. But take a look at that, how it is. Don't mind those stripes, they're gonna get dry unless there is an area that doesn't have. Let me give it a last, you know, it's already drying up here. So let's see how it goes, okay? And I see you in a little bit. Welcome back again. I had to wait more than half an hour because the sun was over here and you won't be able to see, so it's already dry. Look at the shine. Okay, the leaves. I don't see, oh man, the sun is coming back. I thought that it was gone. That's okay. We can still see it. You see? So I don't see anything. I know that it was shine before because the paint was shiny, but I don't see any area that might not have the sealer. So I'm gonna leave it like that because I need the sealer for 2 more. Okay. So this is beautiful. This is nice. Well, not so beautiful. I like landscape more than anything else to paint on paint by numbers. So again, hit the like and subscribe and comment below if you like this video. Please let me know what type of paint by number you like to do. Landscape, people, animals, and let me know in the comments. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Be safe on Labor Day weekend. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.